bitch!
Oh, heifer. Shop right now. We're gonna go work on Blake's beam and try to get a little twisty boy put on there today. So we're gonna see how far we can get with it. Got a couple more things to tidy up on there, but let's get over there and then we'll start ripping on this old freaking rig, son. To the old Hassy.
The old Hassy. You got my fucking vape chug?
Yeah, right here. Old girl tuned up, son. Tell them what we're doing to it, buddy.
What?
Tell them what we're doing to it.
Fucking trying to get a wastegate figured out here. I gotta cut it. It's gonna kind of be like mounted up like this. But, yes.
Yeah, boy.
From how I built this, though, I can't really make it anywhere else. I mean, I could probably put it here, but I don't know if I'm gonna get boost creep because this guy, I really don't know what I'm doing, so.
Live and learn, buddy. Fucking.
Yeah, just gonna learn here. Because, I just wait for this piece to cool down. It's hot as fuck, but.
Pretty much damn near there, bud.
Yeah, I'm there.
Damn, boy, look at that motherfucking turtle ski.
I'm just kind of winging this here, dude. I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
It's perfect.
I mean, I'm gonna have to make a million cuts anyways, but you know.
That's what welding's there for.
That's what that filler rod's there for.
Yes, sir. That old John cut up.
Yeah, over there, back. Stay up, peen rocking, boy.
I'll work.
We're on to something.
She's about there, damn.
We just gotta get a little piece back here and figure something out. I don't know what the fuck am I gonna do there, but that's a straight unit. Fucking, I can fill gaps, but man, I can't fill that.
No.
Right there, boy. That's pretty close for one cut.
Yeah, it is.
I'm getting closer, dude.
Have more of an idea of what the fuck you're doing.
Yeah. I feel like that's fucking. I feel like we're getting close, dude.
Okay. I'll fill some gaps.
Real close. We close.
Closer than we were 10 minutes ago. I'll tell you what. Oh shit! What is that? Little bucket turkey. Dang.
it. Doing an air purge. There's the boy.
Alright, Snake, wish me luck here, bud. I'm gonna do about as best I can.
Here, buddy. Just make the circle a little bit smaller and hope and pray, you know?
Yeah, well, you know, I'm trying to figure out where the head needs to be to make the most accurate fucking...
Well, this our situation here is kind of fucked with the holding. But here,
I'm gonna have to turn it once I get to there. That is a toppy fucking cut right there, bud.
yeah, it's time to grind it off anyways. You get that in your box sound right now, dude.
Where's your piece of pipe?
Hold on. I gotta grab it. You got it?
Yep. About right there.
I mean, I honestly, dude, I'll drum
If you hog it, I think you're home.
Oh no, dude. I mean, what you got me that there because I need it to sink down into the hole a little bit. You know what I mean? Because when I get it to sink down, I can grind it off a little bit, and then it'll close this gap hella.
Oh yeah,
you know what I mean?
you're gonna dive in there.
Yeah,
up to here.
exactly. That's what I'm saying. And I can also
Let me
take.
see. Hold it back up. Oh, see, I'm not even. If you look in the hole, look in there. My cut's not even the width of the wall of the pipe.
Oh yeah, no, dude.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's perfect. Money, dude. Thank you.
Hell yeah, buddy.
That's all I need to do.
Yeah, because that cut right there, those edges are actually hidden by the wall of the pipe. That's how close it is.
Right.
Even though they're rough, they're hidden by that edge of that pipe.
But they still go. I mean, if you look at it, they still. You know what I mean? Like they still.
Right.
I have room.
You don't have to fill a hole.
No.
You don't have to fill a gap.
Perfection, brother.
That old girl will look.
That'll fucking do her. God, she's fucking hot.
I bet, man.
GoPro.
Jackson comes in and he's like, Dad, wake me, dude. I was like, what's wake me? He's like, you. You. Yeah, you right. No, I'm fucking, he was like, alright, we're at I feed this guy a little something here.
Claw fit. We're gonna give him the old treatment.
Going to give it to a boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to him, alright. Motherfucker. He thought he almost got that ass too. He's like, shit, I'm almost out. I'm almost out. You don't see the straw coming the hole, be like, put a reverse, Terry. Oh yeah, there's a little hole already.
Harry, put it reverse.
Pretty sure you can see a little fucker pop his head out.
Yeah, I seen arms and shit. Where's this bitch ass at?
Don't fall now, boy. Little Poppy's coming to fucking try to help.
Whoa!
him.
Come on now.
Not today. Look at his neighbor here trying to do some shit. Oh.
What?
This is bright.
That's what we get on here. Yeah.
That's a horsefly, dude. Inside of it?
No, the one that keeps...
What up, Bubba?
Tomorrow, my friend.
What?
Tomorrow, my friend.
What? Oh yeah.
Everyone's trying. You gotta be home by 5, so.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, bro.
Alright, bro.
Alright, get out, brother. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, you're good. My eyes are shut.
Till tomorrow, boys.
Till tomorrow.